Hello friends, today we are going to read Cooking with the Birthday Bird by Glenda Armand. Let's start. The birthday bird flew from Cairo. He will bake a cake for you. Just for you. This is your day. He will bake the Cairo way. He has a book. Take a look. Grab a hat. Help him cook. Sugar, flour. Add milk too. Now crack some eggs. Just 2 will do. Now you mix it. Spin, spin, spin. Look, you have some on your chin. Let it bake and then cool down. Squeeze on pink and blue and brown. Now he will sing the birthday song. This is your day, so sing along. You eat your cake. You dance and play. Now the birthday bird must fly away. Until next year on your big day. The end. I hope you love this book, friends. See you next time with a different book. Bye bye.